Now, the next thing that we need to look at is angle at a point. So for example, we have a point like this, and we need to find what would be the angle over this point. And to start with, we can consider that we only have a single line. And if we start measuring the angle from here and reach back this line where we started from, the angle is going to be equal to 360 degrees. Sometimes we have more than one lines on one point. For example, this is the point. We have a line over this point in this direction. We have another line over this direction in this direction, and then we might have another line in this direction. So we might have this situation where we have 3 points on a line. Now, if the angle we see over here is A, this one is B, and this one is written to be as C, then since we are starting from here, first angle, second angle, and the third angle, we are reaching at our starting point. So this is the complete angle which is being formed at a point. So angle A, angle B, and angle C, when added together, would give their sum as 360 degrees. This is how an angle of 360 degree is formed at a point. When we add more than one angles and their sum comes out to be 360 degrees, then this argument is written as angles at a point in short to refer this concept. And the sum of angles at a point is always equal to 360 degrees. Now, for example, we are given this question. We can see that we have a point over here, this one, around which all the angles are being formed. So first angle is 4B, then we have B, then we have an angle of 90 degree, then we have another angle of B, and we reach the line where we started from. So all of these, when added together, they would be forming the angles around a point. So if we need to find out the value of B, what we can do over here, we can add 4B plus angle B plus 90 degrees and plus another angle B. And their sum would come out to be equal to 360 degrees. 6B is equal to 360 minus 90. So B would be equal to 270 degrees divided by 6. So the angle of B would come out to be equal to 45 degree in this case. So this is how the angles at a point add up to 360 degree. And this relation is used to find out the different values in the situation where angle around a points are given.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.